let's see. We're going to do some experiments that relate to water and air pressure and things that fly through the air. He says, okay, octopus, better move out of that doorway. And the octopus said, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. And even Mr. Fred said, okay, and he backed up, ran forward, clunch, clunch, bam! And he kicked the octopus as hard as he could. This time the octopus wasn't fast enough, and the octopus flew through the doorway, over the horizon, and boom!
Why didn't he go in the ocean?
Erase the octopus.
And the octopus
Erase the octopus.
didn't like this. And he got really mad and came running back.
How does he run?
He actually runs like a wheel. He spins on all 8 legs. Came spinning back. And he bit evil Mr. Fred on the other leg and just hung on.
Did he bite off his other foot?
Nope.
No,
He just bit onto his leg. Now that's science. You've just learned Isaac Newton's 3 laws of motion.
Uh-huh. I
Yeah.
know them.
Yeah. First law of motion is if something's at rest, it'll stay at rest.
Don't question it.
So if the octopus was sitting in the doorway, he'll keep sitting there unless you do something to him, like kick him. So things will stay at rest unless you do something to them. That's Newton's first law of motion. Newton's second law of motion is when you kick something, the harder you kick it,
The higher.
the higher it goes.
I streamed it all morning and my dad has to get me up. Even when I'm old.
You know how I
And
understand
Newton
it?
wrote it in a mathematics form too. He said force equals mass times acceleration. Like math.
With
That's
a
what
little
he
wiggle
did.
in me.
Yeah. And the third rule is for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Because the octopus got mad and came back and bit evil Mr. Fred. That was his reaction. Yeah. Now, those are the 3 laws of motion. We're going to use them today in our experiments. We're going to try to make something zoom away by doing something to it. And when Jack and Jill got to Africa, they were in search of Livingstone. But they also heard that there was the world's biggest, stinkiest flower there. They said, oh, we got to go see that. And Sneezy said, no, we don't. We don't have to go see that. I'm allergic to flowers. We'll stay away from that. Jack and Jill said, oh, we'll just see. Well, it didn't take them long because the smell of the flower was so strong the wind carried it along and Sneezy could smell it. And he says, whatever you do, don't go that way. And Jack and Jill said, okay, we're going that way. Okay, we're going to do an experiment. The experiment involves a bicycle pump and a cork. And if you put the cork in the bottle, and then you pump the pump, pressure goes into the bottle. It's just going to sit there forever. So in this case, in Newton's law, the action is water or air squirting out that way. The reaction is the bottle going that way.
Maybe we can look.